Service has issued a tsunami warning for the following Alaska counties: Valdez, Cordova Census Area, Matanuska, Susitna Borough, Kenai Peninsula Borough, Anchorage Municipality, Lake and Peninsula Borough, Kodiak Island Borough, Aleutians East Borough, and Aleutians West Census Area. Effective until 3:21 a.m. A tsunami warning is now in effect, which includes the coastal areas of Alaska from Engine Brook Entrance, Alaska, which is located 90 miles east of Earth, to Senaoka Pass, Alaska, which is located 13 miles southwest of Nikolsky. If you are located in this coastal area, move inland to higher ground. Tsunami warnings mean that a tsunami with significant inundation is possible or is already occurring. Tsunamis are a series of wave changes in 8 hours after initial arrival. The first wave came through the largest at 10:16 p.m. last night at 10:28 earthquake preliminary indication 8.9 southeast of Chippewa, Tsunami start times selected
Shape of You.
Ed Sheeran,
Shape of You.
KKIS 96.5.
Unalaska, Alaska, 11:50 p.m. AKDT, July 28. Kodiak, Alaska, 11:55 p.m. AKDT, July 28. Old Bay, Alaska, 12:50 p.m. AKDT, July 29. Heard, Alaska, 12:20 a.m. AKDT,